shove that thing into a tree or something.
You guys staying in for this?
We want to
get in the ruts, come slow, and then when you get to here, that's when you have to go.